Hey there, students. This is Dr. Buer on Monday, October the 4th. Welcome to the weekly video update for the 7th week of classes. I hope all of you are doing great. We're now getting a little bit of fall here in Texas. It's kind of nice. Had some nice fall type temperatures this weekend. Still a little bit warm, but it's beginning to get a little crisper and kind of nice. So we're looking forward to some good fall weather pretty soon. Kind of a neat month in the Buer household. We celebrated my birthday yesterday and my daughter's birthday today. She's actually overseas in France, in Tours, at a university studying French for the semester, so we FaceTimed her and wished her a happy birthday. But she's doing great. We're all doing great. It's marching band competition season in Texas, so we had a marching competition last Saturday. We've got another one next Saturday, and maybe even one after that if we continue to advance. And since my son is in the band, that makes for some busy Saturdays, but hey, that's life, and we really enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. But at any rate, you didn't come here to hear all about me, but you came here to hear about what we've got going in our classes. So let me kind of talk about what we've got going in our classes this week. In NT 5103, we're still in the middle of our regular mode of translating the text and working through study guides. You'll notice that we are about to wrap up this unit, and so we are moving towards the syntax exam. That's going to come up on the 13th, and you'll notice that you have a whole week to prepare for that. So I'll talk about that at length next weekly video update, and if you want to get ahead on what's going to be on there, take a look at this study guide, the information on syntax exam 1. It will tell you exactly what it is going to cover, and so you can start getting your preparation underway. In NT 5104, we are wrapping up our exegetical method this week by learning how to write the commentary. Now, the commentary is a synthetic exercise. It's where you put all the pieces together and you write it out in a prose format so that you can explain it and use it as a basis for exposition and preaching moving forward. So let me know if you have any questions. There's a little place where you can ask questions about the commentary and how to go about it, but we are kind of getting ready to close the books on learning our method, and then we'll move into actually working on exegesis in Ephesians, where we see it practiced, and you begin to move forward to that first exegetical paper, which I'll talk a little bit more about next week. In NT 5110, what we are currently working on is the historical criticism and 7 areas of New Testament discussion. This is a helpful unit because it kind of shows you why we think about the New Testament the way that we do in our current scholarly environment. It, to me, is a very interesting area of study because it kind of explains why we talk about the synoptic problem, for example. So take note of this as kind of interest and laying the groundwork for the ways we talk about the New Testament. You'll notice that we've got readings and videos and then a discussion question, and my general encouragement of doing the discussion question earlier rather than later is helpful because that helps your students to have your fellow colleagues to have something to interact with. But I do hope all of you are doing great. It's a good time to be at the seminary. I love fall. October can bring some pretty weather, sometimes rain, but some pretty weather, so I hope that you're getting ready to enjoy that. And I'm always available if you've got questions, so don't hesitate to let me know, and I look forward to working with you online this week. Take care, and I hope you have a great day.